In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the 4 pillars of recovery after 40 years old. The areas that actually help your body restore, rebuild, and reset. I'm Philip Blackett, husband, father, and the founder of Life After 40. I help adults in midlife transform their health, wealth, and relationships so they can thrive in the second half of life. If you want more support, visit our website at lifeafter40.com and subscribe to our channel here. And you will find the link to our midlife transformation community right below. Now let's get started. Let's break these down. Number one, sleep quality, not just sleep quantity. Sleep is where repair actually happens. Muscle rebuilding, hormone balance, nervous system reset. Here's what matters after 40 years old. Consistent sleep schedule, cool, dark bedroom, wind down evening routine. Because sleep isn't optional, it's your recovery foundation. Number two, nutrition that supports repair. Recovery is not just rest, it's feeding your body what it needs. And that means protein for muscle repair, nutrients that support cell regeneration, anti-inflammatory foods, because food is fuel and recovery support. Number three, active recovery. Active recovery does not mean rest alone. It means movement that supports healing. Walking, light mobility work, stretching, gentle cycling. This improves circulation and reduces soreness. Number four, nervous system reset. Stress accumulates, tension lingers, cortisol stays elevated. You need reset practices, breath work, meditation, reflection routines, time in nature. Your nervous system recovery is just as important as your muscular recovery. In the next episode, we will turn these pillars into a real world weekly recovery plan. You can actually start today without guesswork or extremes. Now, if this video helps you, hit the subscribe button and share this with someone who needs better energy and recovery in midlife. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. Take care.